Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Predator call questions look tricky, but this one is fast if you compare how warning call features change as the predator gets more dangerous. Start by locking onto table 1, because the question asks how warning calls change as threat increases from the lower threat tawny owl to the higher threat sparrowhawk, not what birds do afterward. Now compare the answer choices to the table's call features and look for the pattern that actually rises with higher threat. The supported change is a higher number of calls over time. That means the warning call rate increases as danger increases, while the other choices do not match table 1 as well, so option D wins. Well done! Option D. Scan now, don't rush signs. Trust given details and check each step before choosing the pattern actually shown.